You are walking down a simple flight of stairs. You take a step, and right as your foot makes contact with the ground, you feel it. A sharp, stabbing pain radiating directly underneath your kneecap. Or perhaps you decide to go for a light, low-intensity walk, and after just 15 minutes, a deep, persistent burning sensation begins to wrap around the outside of your knee joint. So, you assume the most convenient, universally accepted lie. You tell yourself that your joints are simply getting older. You blame the mileage on your body. So, you attempt to solve a structural failure with superficial commerce. You buy tight neoprene knee sleeves. You purchase expensive joint supplements and collagen powders. You rub heavy menthol-scented creams onto your skin, hoping the pain will finally fade away. But it never truly stops, because you are treating the wrong end of the biological chain. Your knee is not the culprit. Your knee is simply a biological victim. It is a highly stable, completely innocent joint that is being brutally abused by a profound structural failure happening much higher up in your anatomy, specifically in your glutes. The medical and fitness industries want to sell you braces and painkillers, but they ignore the devastating condition that is actually tearing your cartilage apart. We call this condition glute amnesia. Because you sit in an office chair for 8 to 10 hours every single day, your central nervous system has essentially severed the electrical connection to your gluteal muscles. Your brain has forgotten how to command them. They are physically still there, but neurologically, they are completely offline. And it is the single most common, wildly overlooked cause of chronic knee pain in modern professionals. Today, we stop blaming your age. We are going to execute a precise biological override to re-establish the neural connection, awaken the dormant tissue, and take the crushing, destructive load off your knees forever. Before we initiate the repair sequence, you must test the integrity of your own wiring. You cannot fix a neurological disconnect until you map exactly where the signal is failing. We do not need an MRI to diagnose this. We are going to run a physical diagnostic check right now. Stand up completely straight. I want you to lift one leg off the floor so that you are balancing entirely on the leg with the bad knee. Now, with total control, slowly bend your standing knee and lower your body weight down just a few inches, exactly as if you were about to sit down into a chair. As you lower yourself, look straight down at your kneecap. Watch the tracking path of your knee. Did your knee stay perfectly straight and firmly aligned over your middle toe? Or did it immediately tremble, wobble, and violently cave inward toward the center of your body? If your knee collapsed the moment it was placed under tension, you just found the exact terrifying source of your daily pain. Your knee did not collapse because the knee itself is weak. It collapsed because your glute medius, the critical stabilizing muscle on the upper side of your hip, has been completely disconnected from your nervous system. Your knee is paying the ultimate physical price for a collapsed biological anchor higher up the chain.
To understand exactly why sitting is destroying your joints, we must look at the biomechanical data.
When you sit in an office chair for thousands of hours a year, you place your body in a highly unnatural collapsed geometry. Your hip flexors on the front of your body are held in a permanently shortened, tight position. Meanwhile, the massive glute muscles on the back of your pelvis are stretched out, compressed under your own body weight, and rendered entirely useless. Over time, your brain recognizes that these muscles are no longer required for survival in your seated environment. To conserve energy, the brain actively reduces the neural signals sent to the glute tissue. This is glute amnesia. The muscle tissue begins to atrophy and the neural pathways decay. Let us look at the clinical reality. According to comprehensive data published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy, the vast majority of chronic non-contact knee pain is directly correlated with profound weakness and delayed activation in the gluteal muscles. Here is the exact biological mechanism of your pain. Your glutes, specifically the gluteus medius, act as the primary stabilizing anchor for your femur, your heavy thigh bone. When this anchor is strong, it holds the femur perfectly straight, ensuring your knee functions as a simple, flawless hinge. But when the glutes suffer from amnesia and fail to fire, that biological anchor disappears. Without the glutes pulling the femur outward and keeping it stable, the thigh bone aggressively rotates inward with every single step you take. This internal rotation forces the knee joint to twist under the heavy, crushing load of gravity. Your patellar tendon is stretched at a devastating angle. The cartilage is ground down asynchronously. You are forcing a hinge joint to absorb violent rotational shear force. You cannot fix a collapsed hip anchor by wrapping a tight elastic sleeve around your knee. You must restore the electrical signal to the source. We are now going to implement the gluteal override. We will execute a strict 3-phase protocol to force your nervous system to re-establish contact with the dormant tissue, stabilize the femur, and instantly eliminate the shear force on your knee. Phase 1. The lateral anchor. We must first send an aggressive electrical spark to the gluteus medius, the muscle responsible for stopping the inward collapse. Lie on your side on the floor. Bend your knees to a 45-degree angle. Keep your feet in your heels glued tightly together. Now, take your top hand and place it firmly on your pelvis. You must physically lock your hip bone in place so it cannot roll backward. Slowly, with agonizing control, lift your top knee toward the ceiling while keeping your heels touching and your pelvis completely frozen in place. You will immediately feel a deep, highly localized burning sensation in the upper side of your hip. That intense burn is not just muscle fatigue, that is the feeling of a dormant neurological pathway violently waking up from a 10-year coma. Hold that peak contraction for 5 solid seconds. Lower it slowly. Repeat this isolation for 15 precise repetitions on each side. The lateral anchor is now online. Phase 2. The posterior ignition. The side anchor is awake. Now we must activate the primary engine, the glute maximus. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. You are going to perform the glute bridge, but we are utilizing a strict biological law to maximize the effect. Drive your heels aggressively into the floor and thrust your hips upward. At the absolute peak of the movement, you must squeeze your glutes with maximum, unforgiving intent. Do not simply lift your hips, actively try to crush the tissue together. By squeezing the glutes with maximum force, you trigger reciprocal inhibition. Your brain is forced to completely shut off and relax the tight, shortened hip flexors on the front of your body. You are simultaneously unbinding the front of your hips while heavily arming the back. Hold that peak contraction for 3 seconds. Lower down with control. Execute 15 repetitions. The primary engine is now active.
Phase 3. The heel drive integration. You have restored the neural connection on the floor, but if you stand up and return to your old movement patterns, the amnesia will return by tomorrow morning. You must integrate this newly awakened muscle into your daily interaction with gravity. We will implement the heel drive rule. When you walk up a flight of stairs or when you stand up from a low office chair, notice what your feet are doing. Most people unconsciously push off using the balls of their feet and their toes. This subtle error completely bypasses the glutes and shifts 100% of the biological load directly into the patellar tendon of the knee. Starting today, you will change the architecture of your movement. When you place your foot on a stair step, consciously lift your toes slightly inside your shoe and drive your entire body weight exclusively through your heel. The exact millisecond you drive force through your heel, your nervous system automatically bypasses the knee and fires the massive glute muscles to lift you up. You instantly transfer the physical burden away from the fragile knee joint and onto the most powerful biological engine in the human body. True physical longevity is not about buying expensive braces or accepting the steady decay of aging. It is about understanding the flawless mechanics of your own anatomy. Knee pain is almost never a knee problem. It is the symptom of a biological anchor that has been put to sleep by the unnatural comfort of a modern office chair. Stop treating the victim. Stop wrapping your knee in neoprene. Execute the lateral anchor to stop the collapse, ignite the posterior engine, and command your nervous system to utilize the heel drive rule every time you defy gravity. You are the biological engineer of this machine. If you reconnect the wiring, the architecture will heal itself. This is muscle mindset. Rebuild the foundation, clear the signal, reclaim the power.